Welcome on my channel. Today we learn about how to find the value of an algebraic expression at some particular real number. We can find just by replacing x of p of x by that real number. It means we replace the all terms involved in all terms of this p of x by replacing x by given real number, and then simplify it and calculate the answer. And that is the value of p of x. Now we solve exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2, question number 1. Evaluate the following when a is equal to 3, b is equal to -1 and c is equal to 2. First part, 5a minus 10. We have value of a, or we have a real number instead of a is 3. So we put 3 in this polynomial, in this expression. We have 5 into 3 minus 10, this is equal to 5 3s are 15, minus 10 equal to 5, which is our answer. Second, 3b plus 5c. We put value of b and c in this expression. We have b minus 1 and c 2. 5 into 2, this is equal to minus 3 plus 10 equal to 7, which is our answer. Third part of question number 2, 3x square minus 4y square. I use this formula, x square minus y square, and open this by formula and then putting the value of x and y. We have by formula 3x minus 4y, 3x plus 4y, and then putting the value of x. X is minus 5 and y is 2. 3 into minus 5 minus 4 into 2. 3 into minus 5 plus 4 into 2. Then simplify 3 5s are 15, minus 15 minus 8 minus 15 minus 8. And we observe that minus 15 minus 8, we have minus 23 and minus 7. This is equal to, after multiplication we have minus minus plus, and we have 161, which is our answer. Question number 3. Evaluate the following when k is equal to -2, L is equal to m, and m is equal to k is equal to -2, L is equal to 3, and m is equal to 4. First part, k square into 2L minus 3m. Now we put their values. K square into 2L minus 3m. K have value -2 square into 2 into L is 3 minus 3 into m is 4. -2 square 4, 3 2s are 6, minus 4 3s are 12, 4 into -6, this is equal to -24, which is our answer. Second part, 5m k square plus L square. Minus m is 4 into k is -2 whole square plus L is 3. This is equal to 4 into 5 is 20, square root of -2 whole square is 4, and 3 square is 9. This is equal to 13, 20 square root of 13, which is our answer. Third part, k plus L plus m divided by k square plus L square plus m square. This is equal to -2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by -2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. This is equal to 5 divided by 4 plus 9 plus 16. This is equal to 5 divided by 29. Which is our answer. Question number 4. Evaluate a plus 1 divided by 4a square plus 1 when a is equal to 1 by 2 and a is equal to -1 by 2. In this question we have two values of a. First 1 by 2 and second is -1 by 2. It means both values 1 by 1 we put in this expression and obtained answer. It means this question gives us two answers, one for this and second for this. Let's put the value. When we have a plus 1 divided by 4a square plus 1. When a is equal to 1 by 2, we get 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 4 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 1. First we take LCM of this. 1 by 2 plus 2 whole divided by 1 by 4, 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1. This is equal to, this 4 cancels by this and this gives us 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2 whole divided by 1 plus 1. This is equal to 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 2, and we have answer 3 divided by 4. That's answer. Next we have when a is equal to minus 1 by 2. Putting this value in a plus 1 divided by 4 a square plus 1, we get minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 4 into 1 minus 1 divided by 2 whole square plus 1. This is equal to 2 minus 1 plus 2 whole divided by 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1, and this cancels. And we have minus 1 plus 2 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus 1. So we have 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4. So this question gives us two answers, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. These are two answers. Question number 5. If A is equal to 9, B is equal to 12, C is equal to 15 and S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, find the value of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C whole square root. We observe that in this type of question we have value of S and the values of A, B and C. First we put the value of S and simplify it into exactly really simple form, and then in that simple form we put values of A, B and C, and then at last we obtained the value of this square root. Solution: we have S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, and by putting in S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, we get S A plus B plus C divided by 2. Next, A plus B plus C divided by 2 minus A plus B plus C divided by 2 minus B, A plus B plus C divided by 2 minus C, and this is under the root. Now we simplify these terms, all these terms. We have A plus B plus C divided by 2 and A plus B plus C minus 2A divided by 2, A plus B plus C minus 2B divided by 2, A plus B plus C minus 2C divided by 2, and this is under the root. Next we simplify these terms. We observe that A plus B plus C divided by 2, B plus C minus A, b plus c minus a divided by 2, a minus b plus c divided by 2, a plus b minus c divided by 2, and this is under the root. Now we put the values of a, b, c in this equation. We have a is 9, 9 plus 12 plus 15 divided by 2, 12 plus 15 minus 9 divided by 2, 9 minus 12 plus 15 divided by 2, 9 plus 12 minus 15 divided by 2, and this is under the root. Next we have 36 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, and 6 divided by 2, and this is under the root. This gives us 18, 9, 6 and 3. By multiplying all these values, we have 2916 square root, and this gives us 54, which is our answer.